Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a product that's been making waves in the market. Introducing the Wi-Fi Camera 2K by GALAYOU, your ultimate security companion for 24/7 surveillance. Now, if you're in the market for the best security camera that offers uncompromising 24-hour recording capabilities, look no further. The GALAYOU Wi-Fi Camera 2K sets a new standard for indoor home security. Let's delve deeper into what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk resolution. With a stunning 2K HD resolution, this camera delivers crystal clear imagery that captures every detail of your home, day or night. And speaking of night, thanks to its advanced night vision technology, you can trust that your home will remain secure around the clock, with visibility up to 33 feet. But what good is a security camera if it doesn't alert you when something's amiss? That's where the GALAYOU camera shines. With real-time motion detection and push alerts, you'll receive instant notifications on your phone whenever there's activity detected in your home. Whether it's your pet getting into mischief or an unexpected visitor, you'll always be in the know. Now, let's talk about communication. With built-in two-way audio, you can not only hear what's happening in your home but also communicate directly through the camera using the View Cloud app. Whether it's reassuring your pet while you're away or deterring intruders, the power is in your hands. But what about storage? The GALAYOU camera offers flexible options to suit your needs. With 24/7 continuous recording and support for up to 128 GB micro SD cards, you can rest easy knowing that your footage is securely stored locally. And for added peace of mind, cloud storage options are also available, ensuring that your recordings are always backed up and accessible. And let's not forget about convenience. The GALAYOU camera seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control your security system with simple voice commands. Whether you want to check the live feed or activate the siren, it's never been easier to keep your home safe and secure. In conclusion, the GALAYOU Wi-Fi Camera 2K is more than just a security camera. It's your ultimate home guardian, offering unparalleled features, reliability, and convenience. So if you're ready to take your home security to the next level, look no further than the GALAYOU Wi-Fi Camera 2K. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique.